You go back to January of this year, Aer Lingus was a well-funded company, balance sheet strong, passenger numbers growing and profitable. And with an element of slick PR by Willie Walsh and others, we now have this thing, geez, we got to get rid of Aer Lingus. It's almost a basket case. They need money to buy planes. Where did all that come from? Yeah. There's been a lot of careful manipulation of the media and public opinion over the last 2 months that has created this inevitability. Let's sell the damn thing. Well, I mean, the fundamentals are still the same. We're an island nation. I think we do need a stake in an airline to protect connectivity, to protect the foreign investment that we have, protect our tourism sector. And I think some of the issues that have been raised by Virgin Atlantic in the last number of days, Virgin Atlantic are not an altruistic operation. They're in this, they're getting involved in this debate in the interest of their shareholders. By the way, the same as IAG. But what they're saying is that if Aer Lingus and IAG become inextricably linked in an arrangement as proposed, the chances are that competition will be reduced for long-haul flights through the UK. And when you reduce competition, fares go up. Well, that's not good for the Irish people. It's not good for inbound tourism. And it's my view, and I intend to challenge it for as long as there's a debate to be had, and put it before the Irish people, that this is not in the best interests of this country, and I think we should hold out. And where are the Labour Party on this? The Labour Party were very exercised back in 2006 when the company was first publicly floated. A decision, by the way, that has put the company into a strong position, that has made it interesting to IAG. It's now a strong commercial organisation and growing and attracting passengers from a much wider audience. So why shouldn't we retain that independent status and allow the company to thrive and develop?